Top 10 study tips. If you want to become a brilliant student, then you have to develop good study habits. The sooner you get into a good study habit, the easier everything will be for you. Here are my top 10 tips for getting the most out of your study. The first tip is to discover your learning style. I mean, some students want to watch video lectures, some students want to read and then make proper notes, while other students want to only listen. So you have to figure out which is the best format of learning for you. The second tip is to minimize distraction. When you start studying, make sure that you turn off your cell phone or any digital device or any noise which can easily distract your mind. The third tip is to set study goals for each session. I mean, study one concept and try to achieve your goal of any particular subject at one time. Never and ever study 2 or 3 different subjects at one time, because you are just mixing concepts which will not work for you. The fourth tip is to use mnemonics or famous pictures to memorize facts or formulae. For example, if I want to learn the formula of work done or formula of movement and signs, I will use a mnemonic as woman for smile and man for duty. Thus, whenever I recall these 2 formulae, I have to use this mnemonic. If you want to learn more about memorizing something fast and easy, watch our video and its link is given in the description. The fifth tip is to get help from YouTube if you do not understand something difficult. I have already stated that switch off your cell phone during study period, but you can only use it to assist your study journey while solving your problems. It must not distract you from the track. The sixth tip is to take the brain break after achieving each goal. I mean, it is recommended that students take mental breaks approximately every 45 minutes. This is due to the fact that the brain is only able to maintain true focus for around 45 minutes before it begins to lose attention. Therefore, it would be right to study for up to an hour and then take a small break. The seventh tip is to revise within 24 hours whatever you learn. This is the most effective way to remember or memorize something for longer period if you quickly revise it 2 to 3 times within 24 hours. I still personally use it whenever I want to remember something for longer period. The eighth tip is to study daily. If you study one night before exam or you study for some days in a month, then you are not going to achieve your targets. You need to study every single day according to your timetable without any gap. The ninth tip is to stay motivated. You need strong motivation that forces you to study every single day. For example, you want to become like Einstein. So you should believe that if he can discover something amazing, I can do the same. Therefore, some motivating force is very important that keeps you motivated. The last tip is to do exercise and stay healthy. You can only study if you are healthy. Take care of your health, eat balanced diet, and stay hydrated. Also do exercise daily so that your brain cells receive fresh nutrients. I hope that these 10 tips will help you a lot.